What's going on, YouTube family? All right, I just want to do a quick video, right? I want to ask you guys, out of all these cars, so that's a BMW i8, a Bentley Bentayga, a Lamborghini Huracan over there, and a Corvette C8 all the way over there, okay? Out of all of these cars, right? There's a few of my cars I have right now here. Which one do you think has made me the most money this year? Okay, and I'll be fair. Okay, granted, I bought him in June or July. I bought him July also, so fairly new. So let's say in the past 6 months, which one has made me the most money? Can you guys guess? i8, Bentayga, Lambo, C8. Which one? Now price-wise, so that guy goes for about $899, Lambo's $1,400, C8's about $599, i8 goes for $599 a day. All right, can you guys guess which one's made me the most money? Drum roll. Guess what, guys? The i8 has made me more money. Actually, this guy has been gone since December of last year. Okay, he just came back mid-November. Okay, renters had it forever, and it finally came back. It was getting about $4,700 a week. So this guy made almost $180,000 in a year, the whole year. So he is the winner. The next one, runner up, would be the Lambo. So that guy, yeah, he's made at least close to almost 100 past year. So that would be the second one. Yeah, I just wanted to see if you guys could guess which one had, because funny enough, matter of fact, this car, true story, like, I got a letter from the city of Mesquite saying that this car was actually at the impound. And it had been in the impound for almost a month. Okay, so this impound letter was dated October. I got the letter sometime in November when I finally checked my mail here in the warehouse. And this car had been in the impound. And guess what? The funniest thing about it is the renter was still making payments on the car, even though it had been sitting in the pound. So we went out there to go get the car out, and the paint was all scratched up. It was a mess, keys missing, dirty as heck inside. But I didn't care. The car's already paid for itself like 2 times over, 3 times over. We fixed the car up, so literally it just got done. It just got back in shape. You guys can see it looks pretty good. You would never know. I'll put some before pictures. You would never know all that happened to it. But looks a whole lot better now, doesn't it? Yeah, so we had to get it rewrapped. Gave it some TLC, took care of it, and he's going to be back on the road, back to making us some money here. I've always loved this car in purple. It was originally white. The second I wrapped it purple, it started going out really good for me here. Based on my avatar now, don't go wrapping yours purple thinking it's gonna hit wherever you're at. If you're in Alaska or something, you might never rent it out. Here, my avatar loves that color, so it's working. So yeah, that, guys, is my #1 moneymaker. Shoot, I could even retire him now if I wanted to. He's got maybe 50, he just hit 50,000 miles not too long ago. So he might be due for retirement, possibly even selling him. But why? If it's paid off, if there's still demand for it, I'll keep running him. You know, I don't believe in getting rid of a car. If there's nothing wrong with it, mechanically it's sound, people still want it, let it rock. Let it rock. So yeah, now this guy, tried and true, always goes. That one's a steady renter. And you know, I love Lamborghinis, and the reason why I do is they're very no-fuss cars, bro. Like they never give me issues. Whenever this car goes out, I sleep well at night. I had a McLaren. I just didn't have luck with the McLaren. That's why I sold it a few months ago. McLarens will always give me issues constantly, and not necessarily. Yes, user error issues, and mechanical. Engine lights will always come on. It's always some minor finicky thing that will come on, and the renter will call you. So it's constant babysitting the transaction every time it rents out. But this guy, no, you don't hear a peep. Only maintenance this guy needs is an oil change every few months, and it barely costs me $400 or $500. That's it. So once a year, every 6 months, I get an oil change on this guy, and then your wheels. That's it. You replacing tires, nothing else. Completely hands off. Leave me alone. Let me earn money. I'm good. So I love him. Let's see here. Bentayga. This guy, funny enough, I have a love-hate relationship with him. I love the Bentleys. I love the interiors, luxurious, really nice rides. You know, only issue I had when I bought him, I got him directly from Bentley. It was a CPO, but I needed to rent the car out. Had a renter here. He was ready to pay for 3 days. He'd already paid, and the car wouldn't start. Just out of nowhere, the car was barely a week old, and it wouldn't start. You know, and so Bentley had to tow the car, and it was at the Bentley shop for almost a month and a half. We bring it back, and some other crap happens. It has to go back again. So, you know, but now it's been behaving itself. But, you know, I guess I'm hoping that's not a trend, you know, but so far it's been just fine. And he's been earning some good money. So I can't complain with him right now. You know, he's paying the bills. He's making me some profit on it. No worries whatsoever. This guy here, Corvette C8, you know, so far so good. Not a single peep out of him. He's been steady renting out, no issues whatsoever. I can't say I've had a single complaint or a single nothing with this car, not even a flat tire yet. So, love the C8. We put the Lambo doors on them, so these guys are real nice and sexy right now. Good car. Get a lot of requests for it. I don't have the keys on me, but yeah. So this guy's a really good one. Yeah. That's a few of the cars I have in the warehouse. I figured I'd just show you guys, just a little playful video. I don't have to be teaching all the time. So yeah, guys, that's it. And I do have some economy joints. You know, I get cash cars and I just rent them out. I don't personally want to finance any any economy cars. So I just get a few cash and I rent them out, have a few of them. And these stay gone. They stay gone for me. Bring in about $300-400 a week. And that's fine. You have 10 of those. That's $4,000 every month. That's enough to pay for rent for a place like this, right? My rent's about $5,000 in here, so that's why I like having these guys in my fleet too. But hey, guys, I just wanted to do a quick video. Thank you guys very much for tapping in, and I'll see. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then tick the notification stuff so that way you guys get alerted. Video ideas, you guys post them in the comments, questions, comments, whatever. Let's talk about it. All right. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys on the other side of success.